is exposing the skin so roots can grow. Leave it out to dry for 2 days so the top can heal. The next thing you want to do is place it hovering in a glass of water. And place it somewhere well lit, but away from direct sunlight. And pretty soon it'll grow roots. Then just grab a pot, fill it up with fresh soil, make a hole in the middle, and plant the pineapple top. Carefully. Water it from the top. Let the soil dry out before you water again. And before you know it, it'll flower and then turn into a pineapple.